Hi everyone. Welcome back. Today we talk about something very important, self-introductions. How to introduce yourself in English. Easy English. Simple English. Friendly English.
Yes, this is the first thing you say to new people, new friends, new co-workers, new classmates, even new neighbors with loud dogs.
Yes. So today, we show you many examples. Short examples. Long examples. Funny examples. Real-life examples.
And don't worry, we use very simple English today. A 1B1 English. Easy vocabulary. Slow, clear speaking.
Okay, Ralph, please introduce yourself first. Show everyone an easy example.
Sure. Hello. My name is Ralph. I am from Canada. I live in a small town. I am 32 years old. I love cooking, eating, and watching movies. Easy, right?
Yes. Very easy. Very clear. Now I do the same. Hi. I'm Jessie. I am from Australia. I live in Sydney. I am 28 years old. I like reading, traveling, and taking photos.
See? So simple. You only need name, country, city, hobbies. Name, country, city, hobbies. Very easy structure.
Exactly. And you can stop there. But if you want a little more, you can add a fun fact.
I love fun facts. Here is my introduction with a fun fact. I'm Ralph. I'm from Canada. I live in a small town. I love cooking and eating. And here is my fun fact. I am scared of spiders.
You always say that. But Canada has no big spiders.
Yes, but my heart still says no, thank you.
Okay, here is my introduction with a fun fact. Hi. I'm Jessie. I'm from Australia. I love photography. And here is my fun fact. I take pictures of food before I eat it.
Yes, every single time. One time I was so hungry, and Jessie said, "Wait, one more photo, one more angle."
It was a beautiful sandwich. A very photogenic sandwich. Now, let's do introductions for work or school. Maybe you join a new class. Maybe you start a new job.
Yes, here is a simple work introduction. Hello, my name is Ralph. I am new here. I work in the marketing team. I like learning new skills. Nice to meet you.
Very clear. Here is a school example. Hi. I'm Jessie. I'm a new student. I study English. I want to improve my speaking. I'm happy to meet you.
This is easy to remember. Just add one more thing. Your reason for being there.
Yes. I want to learn English. I want to practice speaking. I want to meet new people. All very good sentences.
Now imagine you go to a party. You don't know anyone. It's scary. You hold your drink like this tiny scared face.
Yes. You meet someone new. What do you say?
Easy. I'm Ralph. Nice to meet you. The other person usually says, "Nice to meet you too."
Then you can add, I'm from. I live in. I like. These sentences help you start a friendly conversation.
For example, I like music. I like traveling. I like video games. And maybe the person says, "Oh wow, me too."
Boom. You have a new friend. Easy. Let's explain 5 simple phrases from today. 1. Nice to meet you. You say this when you meet someone for the first time. Example, Hi, I'm Jessie. Nice to meet you. 2. I'm from. Talk about your country. Example, I'm from Nepal. 3. I live in. Talk about your city or town. Example, I live in Tokyo. 4. I like. Talk about your hobbies. Example, I like reading. 5. Fun fact. A small, interesting detail about you. Example, fun fact, I love pineapple on pizza.
Pineapple on pizza is delicious. Don't fight me.
Yes, Ralph. Calm down. We know you love food.
Let's give viewers one longer example, but still simple English.
Okay, I try. Hi. My name is Jessie. I'm from Australia, and I live in Sydney. I work as an English teacher. In my free time, I like traveling, reading books, and taking photos. I also like trying new food from different countries. Fun fact, I take pictures of food before I eat it. Nice to meet you.
Great. Now my turn. Hello. I'm Ralph. I'm from Canada. I live in a small town near the mountains. I work in marketing. I enjoy cooking, watching movies, and learning new languages. Fun fact, I'm scared of spiders, but I still want to visit Australia. Nice to meet you.
You will meet many spiders, Ralph.
Oh no, I changed my mind.
Okay, viewers. Now your turn. Practice with us.
Say this out loud. My name is. I'm from. I live in. I like.
You can add more if you want. I work as. I study. Fun fact.
Great job. Even if your English is simple, it is still powerful.
So today, we learned how to introduce yourself in simple English. Name, country, city, hobbies. Fun fact.
Use this in class, work, travel, parties, anywhere. And remember, smile.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And comment below. Introduce yourself. Tell us your name, country, and one fun fact.
We will read your comments. See you next time.